Hi there, I am Tech Janisha. Let's learn how to reduce the size of an image. Open your browser and visit this website. Link is in the description. Now upload your image that you need to reduce the size of it. You can see the original size of the file. You can give less amount than the original size. And you can change the file type to MB or KD. Now click compress. Wait a little bit till it process. Now click the button called download image. You will go for a new page. Click download image again. Now your file has been downloaded. Now you can see the difference between the original size and the new size. I hope this is useful. Subscribe for more. See you soon.